Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today with exciting news. Finally the Netlify integration is in Bolt.diy and this I will now show you. So if we go to the settings here in the current release in the main branch and then go to connection. Let me quickly change the camera so you can see better. And then we go down. I'm currently connected, but we got a new tab here, a new panel for the Netlify connection. And you just need to input your personal access token, which you can get here on this link. So just click on the link. If you are already logged in, you get directly to the page. If not, just sign up or log in if you have an account. Then click here on new access token. Then you can set a name. I just do test for now and I will delete it afterwards. And then you can set expiration date. I leave it 7 days and we click generate token. Then we copy this token, go back to Bolt.diy, paste it in here, click connect, and we are connected to Netlify now and can use it. So you also have here your sites, which you have already deployed on Netlify. I have 11, but it's a lot of other stuff I don't want to show here. And if we now go back and implement a simple to-do app, let's test this out. Then you can already see here on top the deploy button. Let's do a little bit bigger. Here's the deploy button. As soon as the chat or the prompt is finished, we can click deploy. Let's do a little smaller again. Okay, there's a to-do app and now the deploy button is active and we can now click deploy on Netlify. And you can also see there are other stuff coming soon, which is the deploy to Vercel and Cloudflare, which will come in the future as well. So a really good feature from Kev. He implemented this the last days and we now can try out. Let's click deploy to Netlify. Takes a bit, but we should get the message soon. Here is it, here on the bottom. Let me move my camera. You can see deployed successfully and you can now click view site and it's done. We now got a Netlify app deployed, which we can use. And this is fully working. Let's go back and do a change to let's do a more modern, fancy design. Let's see what we get. Shouldn't take that long. Okay, this is done. Let's refresh. Okay, that's not really fancy, but I guess it added this title here, this headline. Let's compare. Let's do another change. Change color to green with background image. So we have to see. We can see a little bit more changes. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Okay, at least we got a background and now we can redeploy here. Just click again on deploy Netlify and you also can see now here these rocket icon where you can see your Netlify domain if it is already deployed, what it is in our case. And to redeploy, just click deploy to Netlify again. And it should be ready soon. it's done again. We can click here on the rocket icon to test this as well. And as you can see, everything deployed to Netlify. I think it's a very good feature. So a lot of people wanted this, and hopefully we get the Supabase integration also very soon. As posted in my last chart, so the Supabase is also coming soon and already in development. We made some big progress there, and I can't wait to get it work. Okay, that's it for today's video. Test it out. Let us know if it works for you, if you need changes, if you guys have feedback, and yeah, just comment and let us know. See you in the next one. Bye.